Hello guys, welcome to ICS Mahesh PU College, Dharwad. Myself Basangowda C. Patil, Department of Mathematics. In the previous session, we have discussed determinants and its definition, examples based on matrix 1 by 1. Let's continue. Determinants of a matrix of order 3 by 3. Determinant of matrix of order 3 by 3. Determinant of matrix of order 3 by 3 can be determined by expressing it in terms of second order determinants. This is known as expansion of a determinant along row or column. There are 6 different ways of expanding a determinant of order 3 by 3 corresponding to each of 3 rows and 3 columns, say R1, R2, R3 or C1, C2, C3, giving the same values as shown below. Let us consider determinant of a matrix of order 3 by 3. Here we have 6 possibilities to get determinant of matrix of order 3 by 3. We can expand along R1, R2, R3 or C1, C2, C3. Let us expand along the R1. The moment we say R1, we have the elements A11, A12, A13. Let us follow following steps. A11 into minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. The super suffix of minus 1 indicates sum of the first row, first column. Delete the first row and first column elements. Rest of the elements are A22, A23, A32, A33. Step 2. The next element of R1 is A12. A12 into minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. The super suffix of minus 1 indicates sum of the first row, second column element. Delete the first row and the second column element. Rest of the elements are A21, A23, A31, A33. Step 3. The next element of R1 is A13. A13 into minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3. The super suffix of minus 1 indicates sum of the first row, third column element. Delete the first row and the third column element. Remaining elements are A21, A22, A31, A32. Step 4. The determinant of A is sum of all the terms obtained in step 1, 2, 3. That is, determinant of minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 value is minus 1 square, minus 1 square value is plus 1, plus 1 into A11 value is A11. Determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. It is obtained by product of diagonal minus product of non-diagonal elements. That is A22 into A33 minus A32 into A23. Next, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 value, minus 1 cube. Minus 1 cube value is minus 1. Minus 1 into plus, that is minus. Minus 1 into A12 is minus A12. Again, determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Product of diagonal elements A21, A33 minus product of non-diagonal elements A31, A23 plus minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 value. Minus 1 raised to 4, minus 1 raised to 4 value is plus 1. Plus 1 into A13 is plus A13 plus A13 into determinant of 2 by 2 matrix is product of diagonal elements A21 A32 minus A31 A22. This is a determinant of matrix of order 3 by 3. Similarly, we can expand it through any row or any column. Every time we will get same answer. For easier calculation, we shall expand the determinant along that row or column which contains maximum number of 0. Keep in your mind. Note 2. While expanding, instead of multiplying by minus 1 raised to I plus j, we can multiply by plus 1 or minus 1 according as I plus j is even or odd. If it is even, we'll get a plus 1. If it is odd, we'll get minus sign. In simple, when we evaluate the determinant, we always follow these symbols. Plus minus plus along R2, minus plus minus along R3, plus minus plus. Note 3. Determinants can be evaluated through any row or any column. Example, evaluate the determinant. First one, determinant of 3 minus 1 minus 2, 0 0 minus 1, 3 minus 5 0. Here also we have 6 possibilities. We can expand along R1, R2, R3 or C1, C2, C3. Let us expand along R1. Here R1 elements are 3 minus 1 minus 2. Remember, when we evaluate the determinant, this sign will follow with the elements. You are expanding along R1, you have to follow plus sign, minus sign, plus sign. If you are expanding along R2, you have to follow minus, plus, minus. R3, plus, minus, plus. Suppose you are expanding along C1, we have to follow plus, minus, plus. Along C2, minus, plus, minus. Along C3, plus, minus, plus. Here, we are expanding along R1, 3 into, delete its row and its column element. Remaining elements are 0, minus 1, minus 5, 0. Next element, minus 1 into, your element is also minus 1, minus of minus 1 into, delete its row and its column element. Rest of the elements are 0, minus 1, 3, 0. Next one, plus minus 2 into, delete its row and its column element. Remaining elements are 0, 0, 3, minus 5. Next step, 3 into, determinant of 0, minus 1, minus 5, 0 is product of diagonal elements minus product of non-diagonal elements. That is 0 minus minus 5. Next, minus 1 into minus 1. Minus of minus plus 1 into 0 into 0, 0 minus 3 into minus 1. Minus of minus plus 3 plus into minus 2, minus 2. Next, 0 into minus 5. 0, 0 into 3, again 0. 3 into minus 5, minus 15. 1 into 3, 3. 0 into anything, 0. So, final answer is minus 12. We shall expand the determinant through second row also. Let us consider the same determinant The moment we say R2, we have the elements 0, 0, minus 1. Remember students, when we evaluate the determinant, the sign will follow with the elements. Minus, plus, minus. Delta equals to 0 into plus 0 into delete its row and its column element, minus 1, minus 2, minus 5, 0. Next sign, plus, element is 0, delete its row and its column element. Remaining elements are 3, minus 2, 3, 0. Next element, minus 1. Minus 1 into determinant of 3 minus 1, 3 minus 5. 0 into anything, 0, plus, again 0 into anything, 0, no need to calculate. Minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Determinant of 3 minus 1, 3, 5, 3 minus 5. That is 1 into minus 15 plus 3. Minus 15 plus 3 value is minus 12. Please note, from the last two examples, it's very clear that determinant will remain the same through it is expanded through along R1 or R2. Next example, evaluate the determinant. Expand the determinant along first row. Here first row elements are 3 minus 4, 5. Again same procedure. We have to follow plus minus plus sign. Delta equals to 3 into plus 3 into delete its row and its column element. Remaining element determinant of 1 minus 2, 3, 1. Next sign minus. Element is minus 4. Minus 4 into delete its row and its column element. Remaining values are 1, minus 2, 2, 1. Next sign plus 5 into determinant of 1, 1, 2, 3. 3 into determinant of 1 minus 2, 3, 1 value. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Minus of minus, that is plus 6. Minus of minus 4, plus 4. Determinant of 2 by 2 matrix is 1 into 1, 1. Plus 4, plus 5 into 1 into 3, 3. 3 minus 2. 3 into 7 plus 4 into 5 plus 5 into 1. That is 21 plus 20 plus 5. So final answer is 46. Next example. Evaluate the determinant. Expand the determinant along R1. The R1 elements are here 0, 1, 2. Again we have to follow plus minus plus sign. First element 0 plus 0 into determinant of 0 minus 3, 3, 0. Next sign minus. Element is 1. 1 into determinant of minus 1, minus 3, minus 2, 0. Next sign plus. Element 2 into determinant of minus 1, 0, minus 2, 3. 0 into anything, 0. Plus minus 1 into determinant value is 0 minus 6 plus 2 into determinant value is minus 3 minus 0. That is minus 1 into 0 minus 6 is plus 6. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. 6 minus 6, that is 0. If you observe the determinant, the principal diagonal elements are 0. The rest of the elements are symmetrically situated. That is same in the number but opposite in sign. It means given matrix is skew symmetric matrix of order 3, the value of the determinant is always 0. Keep in your mind. If it is skew symmetric, no need to calculate. We can write direct value as 0. Note that the determinant of skew symmetric matrix of odd order is always equal to 0. Next example. Evaluate the determinant. Expanding the determinant along first column. Let us take first column. Here first column elements are 2, 0, 3. Again we have to follow plus minus plus sign. Delta equals to plus 2 into determinant of 2 minus 1 minus 5, 0. Next element minus 0 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 5, 0. Next sign plus 3 into determinant of minus 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1. Next step 2 into determinant value 2 into 0, 0 minus 5 into minus 1, that is plus 5, plus into minus 5, 0 into anything 0, no need to calculate, plus 3 into minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus half minus plus 4, 2 into minus 5 minus 10, 0 into anything 0, 3 into 5, that is 15, minus 10 plus 15 is 5. Thank you guys. Keep watching.